You want to do what, Daniel? You want to play with some more foam?
Dude, look at this stuff.
You want to play with some more foam, Daniel?
Dude, if this doesn't work, we're gonna look like idiots. Oh, stop. Don't do too much more. There's more than, dude, stop. There's more than enough. I don't have to sit here and vacuum it out for hours. Guys, today we are working on Jake's car. We're gonna try and clean it up. There's quite a bit of mold and kind of nasty stuff in here, so we gotta clean this out, make a windshield, put the seals in. But right now we're waiting on Jake to get here. I think I hear a wild Jake arriving right now. All right, looks like Jake has arrived. Oh. Okay. That was sketchy. But I like it. It's been months. It's been sitting here without a windshield for months. At least, like, well, it's needed a windshield for over a year now. Yeah. Look how moldy this thing is.
Yeah, this thing got
This
pretty
is
moldy.
disgusting, yo.
Yeah.
Ew.
My racing seat. This has kind of been like a been a storage unit.
So what we gotta do is we gotta clean everything out of here so that we can start vacuuming here without like sucking up bolts. But one of the things we gotta do first is we gotta put, ooh, that's wet. We gotta put the weather seals back in on the doors so that when like we go to seal this thing up, it's actually sealed up. Because right now, it's disgusting and we gotta clean it. Jeez. Yeah, there's just water just flying off of this thing. Oh, yeah. There's a, look at, show them the pool real quick.
Yeah.
Yo, I didn't know 240s came like a Maybach with a pool in the back.
Yeah, that's not a fun time. Oh, dude, my DriftCon thing.
Oh, well, it got like a lot cleaner when you took it out of the water. All right. So we gotta start cleaning this stuff out, and we'll catch back up with you here in a minute when we've started like getting more of this stuff out of here, and when we've started like vacuuming up the pool. I'm putting the windowsill back in.
Hey, looks a bunch better already.
Psych!
Let's compare it to the other side here really quick. Comparative to that, there's just nothing, and then water just gets right in through there. You can reach the inside of the car, but you can also like reach inside of the car. Here.
Oh, there's no windshield, bud.
Yay, no windshield. Oh my god, dude. Ah, that's on the inside.
Yeah.
Let's try it. Oh, yep, look at that. Yummy. At least there's no mold on the roof, on the headliner. That's good.
All right, so we're gonna start cleaning out. Well, actually, we're gonna drain the pool. Summer's not here yet, so we want to make sure the pool's nice and clean.
Yeah, so it doesn't freeze over.
You want to hit the switch behind you?
Oh yeah, you can do that.
And here we go. And away it goes. What are you doing in there?
Getting the seat out.
Here, move out of the way. This guy just pulled the seat from the other side. Push it out the windshield. There's no windshield.
Sorry, I got it.
Oh my gosh.
It's easy.
It's easy.
Oh, there you go. Okay, so this is Jake's seat. We just pulled this out. So this one I kind of vacuumed over. It was moldy as all hell before. But this is Jake's seat as it sat in there. So this dirt didn't... there's holes in this thing.
Yeah.
There's tons of them. Is this a bottom mount seat?
Dear
God. Okay.
Yo,
So, I don't think much is gonna change. Ooh, dude, what happened here?
Oh, that's from getting in and out of it over the course of 2 years when I daily drove this thing.
What happened to your voice right there? did you eat part of the seat?
Just real.
Oh my god. I don't even know if we should vacuum this. It's all coming up. The whole seat's coming up. Oh. This is so nasty.
Can I get this thing reupholstered?
Say that again? Reupholstered?
Should I get this thing reupholstered? Let us know in the comments.
Reupholstered.
Okay.
Reupholstered.
Real quick here, let's take a look real fast. So we got rid of the Lake Washington here. And we kind of cleaned up here in the front. Oh,
There's a ring.
Well, that's just because it's all like fluffed.
I can see like where the wetness is.
Oh yeah, look at the gloves. But we've kind of got it like slightly cleaned. We're gonna have to like throw a heater in here for like a few hours just to get this thing cleaned up. Dude, this is disgusting. But did you do this door panel already?
I did.
Okay, door panel's clean, dash is clean. And now let's go over to the other side. Let's show them the other side.
Oh.
Look at that. What was there, a rat in here? Dude.
There may have been,
Yeah,
actually.
it's a big rat.
Bro, yeah. What the hell? I mean,
Oh, that's for my alarm system.
yes.
Yes,
The alarm. Man, what the hell? Are you gonna run this still?
Yeah, remember you were gonna put it back
I
in.
have to wire that. Oh.
Oh, jeez.
Mad lame. Okay. Well, we have to do this door seal, and then we're gonna clean all of this up.
That wiring?
The wiring can just go over here, and we don't have to think about it, okay? Look at that.
Just put it in the corner.
Oh, what wiring, sir? There's none in, officer. There's no wiring in my car, I swear. It's all Bluetooth.
Wiring!
Yeah, actually, we're probably gonna get rid of all of that wiring, aren't we?
I hate you so very much.
Why? I'm doing this all for you. What the hell? What's the last thing you did on this car yourself?
I just wiped down, wiped down the door.
You wiped down the interior is the last thing you're supposed to do.
Oh my god.
Dude, this is
No, but legitimately I did wipe down the interior.
And
that's it.
And that's it.
Other than that, I actually did do some legitimate work on this. We actually did put in, so I actually did end up getting this IQ3S put in. What else did we do?
You didn't wire it though.
Well, no, Daniel wired it, but I got it set in, and
made the bezel,
Zach made the bezel, yeah.
and then Jake just installed it.
Yes.
Do you have like a packing company in here? There's all these packing peanuts in here.
I don't know what those are.
Jake's trying to take on UPS
Yeah, for real.
in his 240.
Yeah. 240 SX.
UPS?
240 XS Express.
Express, there you
go.
go.
There you go.
Just checking back in real quick. We pulled the carpet off, and this is how soaked it is on the bottom side of the carpet. So we did a quick vacuum in here to pull up all the sitting water, and then we pulled all the padding off of the back of here because that's where all the water is just sitting there and soaked inside of. So next thing, Jake's gonna go and use the cleaner, wipe this all down, and then dry it off, wipe this all down, dry it off, and we should be looking pretty good in here. So then once he's got this all wiped down in here, we're gonna be able to go and start trying out the shaving cream on the carpet, and we'll show you guys that entire technique to see if it's something that you guys wanna do in your cars.
David came back into the vlog. What are you up to, David?
I just woke up, bro.
You
What's up, David Dobrik? Are you going to work?
I want to go to Taco Bell.
All right, Daniel, what are we doing?
So we got the entirety of all of this stuff dry on the bottom. So now we're gonna try the shaving cream to see if we can lift this huge stain that was left in here. Yeah, this is probably not gonna lift up that easy. Why you got so many packing peanuts in here, bro? What the hell?
Dude, I don't know. I can't tell you. It's a secret.
Ooh!
Ooh! Foam it up. Foam it up.
Bro, we're about to run out of this stuff just doing the carpet. So how many faces is a carpet?
Yeah, well, this is like a $5.99
$5.99? Are you
at
out
the
of your mind?
gas station. So rub it in like you're rubbing into your face, right?
Yeah, pretty much, you know, and it's all about that swirl.
That motion in the ocean.
Why do you guys clean the carpet if this shit ain't even dry?
Get the mold out of here so we don't get sick when we're working on it. I'm not trying to get the coronavirus because I got sick from Jake's moldy car. I'm shaving your carpet, dude.
Yeah? Here, wait, I got...
Is that whipped cream? No, I'm not gonna
you should eat it.
Dude, if this doesn't work, we're gonna look so stupid. Like, alright, now that we have gotten the shaving cream all shoved in here, this is the true test to see if a crap ton of shaving cream is going to make this, that's a little weird, work. Bro.
Alright, Daniel, now that you're doing vacuuming.
Okay, so after we spread so much shaving cream all over the ground, it took a bit to vacuum up, but all of the big dark spot that was over here, because this was literally all like black, and I'll show it up in the beginning, it's all out now. And it's, except for this, I couldn't get this spot out, but whatever.
So actually it does look a ton better.
So myth
has been confirmed.
Myth confirmed, yeah, I forgot what the sound was. Myth confirmed, shaving cream cleans your carpets. And it smells pretty good, actually.
It does take a lot of work though, so if you're not inclined to do work like me, I wouldn't recommend doing it. Just go get
Daniel do it for you.
have someone like Daniel get it done for you, or just go get your damn car detailed. Like seriously, like they'll take out the seats anyway.
Yeah, that dude. Ow. All right, so we just finished vacuuming this thing, and there's still a little bit of the stain that you're able to see, but honestly, and it doesn't maybe show as much on camera, but this looks so much better, and it smells better too, because it doesn't smell like disgust.
All right, so today we actually learned that shaving cream has a lot of extra uses. What did we find out today, Daniel?
We found out that a little bit of shaving cream goes a long way in cleaning out the interior of a car. And this doesn't look, I mean, honestly, like from this picture or from this angle, let me see what it looks like on camera. Yeah, it pretty much looks like it does here. This seat is pretty screwed, but before this thing had a puddle of water in it. This thing was literally, this car had sitting water in it.
It looks like a whole new car, actually.
I mean, you know, it's not like perfect because again, there was sitting water in here. But I mean, we might take the carpets out and steam clean them or something to get like that all the way out, or I don't know.
We're not gonna do that.
Hit them with a power washer, man, and just do stuff.
We're not gonna do that.
Out. I'm gonna do it to mine and watch it'll turn out really good.
I'm not gonna do that.
I forget, he's hella lazy, so
I'm not gonna do that.
I think we're gonna call it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, please make sure to leave a comment saying so. If not, if you know of any other tips, tricks, or ideas on how to get this thing clean, let us know in the comments and we will try it on the other side of this, on the driver's side. So thank you again for watching. And I have a burnout clip. I put the one of David at the end of the other one. So I have well, you did a burnout going into this video.
Oh yeah, I can do another one really
Jake's
quick.
gonna do another burnout right now. Don't hit me.
Traction control?
What?
What was that?
I don't know. Here, let me try it up here a little bit.
No, go back down there, dingus. Good.